The next important element of the rifle is the grip. The grip should fit to your hand. So there is big hands, small hands, very small hands, and it's important to find the right grip, the right volume that just is in harmony with your hand. Here we want to show and demonstrate our new 3D grip from MEC, which, as you cannot see, is consisting of printed aluminium. This means the form is shaped on a 3D printer. The material is aluminium, so it's quite stable, quite heavy, about 200 grams. And the special thing is that the surface is more or less metallic, which means that it will consist for a long time and keep its touchability. As you can see, the surface is what your hand is in contact to the rifle. Here you have a stop for the fingers. Here is the screw to fix it to the rifle, and here it's quite flat and it's open inside, so you can put in whatever you want. For example, some extra weight, which gives you a bottom heaviness to the rifle. You can put in something that warms up or cools down the grip as well. There is materials you can refill in the refrigerator or in hot water, and they give you 2 hours. We have the normal fixation with the stick from above, so this grip fits to every Mark I stock, to every modern water stock. For other brands like Feinwerkbau or Anschütz, you have to, or you can buy a special adapter which makes it compatible. So this is the new design of a very old form. We have about 15 years experience with this shape. We think that this is an anatomic best you can do for a shooter's hand. We played a lot around with it and we are quite happy. Of course you can get this grip on left and right, and of course you can get it in 5 different sizes. So if you have problems with your hand, if your rifle doesn't fit, try our new grip. We are sure you will be happy. A grip can be moved as well, so it can go forward, backward, it can be turned, it can be out or in, and it can go up and down. This is important functions because your hand wants to find the perfect distance and the perfect hold to touch the trigger tongue exactly where you should. The grip of your rifle is an important individual piece of material. As everybody has different hands, there is big hands and small hands and long hands and narrow hands. So as every hand is different, you have to find the grip that fits to your hand. So this grip, for example, has nearly the size of my hand. It fits to the volume of my fingers. It is small enough to avoid unnecessary touch. This is a grip model we have stolen from a Russian rifle something like 30 years ago. We just touched it and found out that it is nearly good in every individuum. And of this grip we have 3 different sizes, like nearly any manufacturer offers in the moment. We have another grip here. We developed 2 years ago with a designer from Holland. This is a 3D print with a special, with some special features. One feature is we offer it in 7 different sizes, from the smallest to the biggest hand we found in shooters. The next possibility is you can change the shape. If you warm it up with a hairdryer, you can form it differently a little bit, and 30 seconds later it will be stable again. You can do this many times until you find your perfect surface, perfect for your anatomy. This grip has other advantages. So it's open from the rear side. This means you can get the closest possible position to your cheek, to your chest, without touching it. We know the rules. And if you want, you can use this part inside to give balance weights inside, and then it makes the rifle heavy on the lowest point. So, as we said before, the grip is very important to give your hand a comfortable hold, that it fits to your trigger in the best way. The grip of Mark I stocks, or by the way of all Walter stocks, can be taken away easily. There's just one screw to open and to close, and we have a holding system here which allows us a lot of different movements. So the first and most important thing, you just put it on and it goes automatically to the position you had before. You open and can take it away. For example, to bring in another grip which may be more accurate to the shape of your hand. This is the function of change, and here, by the way, we have the function of going up or down to find the right height for your finger to the trigger. When we open this screw of the holder, we find a lot of more functions. We can move the grip forward and backward, we can move it to the side, we can turn it around, so we find every imaginable position we want to have. Just one turn and it can be changed. You can do it, by the way, with a grip on it. You just go in from below and you have the function of change. Another possibility with this grip is the movement of the whole carrier. This means you can go back and forward, you can go left and right to find the perfect position to the trigger. So shooters with big hands, they will go here. Shooters with small hands, they can go forward. One screw, one turn, and the system is fixed. I will open the lower screw once again to show you the possible turns with the grip in position. So now the grip is connected to the carrier, but the carrier is free to move. So if this is the 0 position, we can go forward, we can go backward, we can go to the left, we can go to the right, and we can move the whole grip in this and that direction. This grip can be connected to every sport rifle, such as Anschütz or Feinwegbau or Steyr as well. You just need a special carrier that fits to your rifle, and then you can select in between all the grips and all sizes of grips. And by the way, we offer all possible colors, so you get it in red or pink or black or whatever. Here the gray grip in a middle size.